We installed 2 pickleball courts over the existing asphalt. This used to be a tennis court area with 2 tennis courts. We utilized part of it to install mat flex tile over the asphalt for 2 pickleball courts. We installed maroon red for outer perimeter and lower blue for the pickleball insert. We installed an outer bounce netting with aluminum posts to separate the 2 courts to contain the balls within each court. We also installed pickleball netting. The post over the pickleball netting could be extended for a volleyball game. We also installed synthetic turf fringe all around the court. It's a visual border, also as a transition from the polypropylene tile to the lower asphalt base. The second tennis court will be eventually remodeled into a new tennis court, or we might put pickleball courts sideways. The clients are going to use these for now and make a decision if to keep the old tennis court or just add more pickleball courts and possibly a putting green. This is the latest sports courts installation done by Gappsi in Queens, New York.